In this month's marketing critique, we're going to look at a display ad, a display advertisement for a Chamber of Commerce newsletter. And as you can see here with all the text that's been stricken out with black text, names have been removed to protect the innocent. So what is good about this ad and what is bad about this ad? Well, we're going to go through a critique now so you can learn how this ad can be improved upon. And many of these same tips you should be able to apply to your own efforts as you go and create display ads, regardless of whether they're for a Chamber of Commerce newsletter, a business section, or a small business section of your local newspaper, or for something that's more industry specific. Because it's very important that you make sure that you think through all these ads, because many people, when they do display ads, tend to get a lot of the same things wrong over and over again. So pay close attention and take notes to what you're about to see in this month's marketing critique. The first thing I want to talk about is reverse text, and you can see up here where the headline is displayed, or what they think is the headline. They ask a question: is finding the right technology solution for your business overwhelming? Avoid reverse text, which is basically white text on any kind of dark backgrounds. Why? Although it may look cool, reverse text almost always underperforms standard dark text on light backgrounds. It may be okay to use reverse text for your company name or company logo, but I would definitely avoid using reverse text in the headline. And many times, depending on the offset printing that the publication that you're advertising in is using, it could even be more difficult, substantially more difficult to read than you intended with the ad copy you submitted, because it tends to blur a little bit together. But overall, what you're likely to find if your tests are consistent, what we've seen and what most people have seen when they run reverse text, is it almost always underperforms the other way around, where you have dark text on a light background. So that's point number one. Point number two, the headline doesn't have a compelling benefit. The headline as it reads right now on this ad is finding the right technology solution for your business overwhelming? So this headline, it's not really a headline for starters. It doesn't seem to make a big statement about solving a big problem that your prospects perceive to have. Remember, it's their perception that counts, not our perception and not your perception. Your small business prospects may be overwhelmed with different computer-related issues, but it's probably not as a result of finding the right technology solution or finding the wrong technology solution. Most small business owners aren't waking up at 2 o'clock in the morning worried that they aren't finding the right technology solution. If anything, they're worried about their network crashing, or data theft, or incompetent computer consultants, or computer consultants that won't return phone calls, outrageous bills for computer support, things along those lines, where that a techie that works for them has way too much control over their business and could decide to wipe them out on a moment's notice. So point number two is make sure that your headline has a compelling benefit.